that's roughly sanded to 150, as you can see. It's an even tidying. So now it's the next stage is to take this back even further to about a 240. Then I'll apply the exmoorblades logo, and then we'll work on this. As you can see, we're almost there as it is anyway, so it ain't going to take much to work this. So there we are, moving on. So, that little wipe off. If you want to know how to do this, if it's the first time you watch something I do, just look back for my videos, because there's plenty of them on there. There you go. Exmoorblades. So that's that stage. So now the next stage is just clean everything off, and we're going to wrap this up. Right, so I checked to make sure that we've got a good bond, which we have all the way around. These will need flattening properly to go up against the blades. But the next step, and the easiest way I found of doing this, so what I tend to do, by just using a couple of drops of super glue, there and there maybe, is stick these two together, because then you've got one block. And that then enables you to, as long as you've got a flat surface, to be able to drill right through these, if that makes sense. And your holes will always be in the correct place. Right, firstly, safety first, people. I'm going to preach you, but you can see why you need decent extraction and ventilation. Anyway, right, so here we are. We squared the block up. This will get clamped, and then I'll drill with 3 holes. Right, hopefully you can see this, guys. As you can see with this, I've super glued it to this. This is what I tend to do now, because it just ain't going to move, and the last thing you want to do is move when you're trying to drill your holes. Right, next stage. So now it's just a case of dry fitting everything, which is what I do. And there you go. So as you can see now, we've dry fitted it all up. So now what I can do, there, I can cut all this excess off, maybe shape this slightly before I glue. So that's what we'll do. So there we are. As you can see, polish your shoulders to the kind of final shape I want. Obviously this will be thinned down, so that's going to make a big difference. I've left it slightly proud so that the resin gets in properly. So now it's pretty much time to glue it up. Right, this is 2 days later, so this is plenty of time to cure. So now I'm going to clean this up, shape it up, and we'll see what it looks like. that's the basics done, down to 400. So now it's trying to gauge, because I've got big hands, it's awkward sometimes, trying to gauge thickness, but now it's just a case of shaping all this up. No easy way. Some patience and graft. Everybody, there we are, the winner's knife is done. I'm just going to make a sheath for it now, and I don't know if I'm going to do a video for that or not, but there we are. So that was stabilised spalted beech with resin, 1080 CRV. Well, I don't need to tell you, do I? It's sharp, and there it is. I'll put some pictures up for you. Exmoorblades. And congratulations to Andy. And when I got the sheath ready, buddy, I'll get this fully tidied up and sent up to you. But there you go, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, consider subscribing and hitting your notification button. And don't forget, I am doing another giveaway. So there will be another one. But give me a couple of weeks to get over this. Anyway. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you soon. Bye.